How to make the text behind person edit in CapCut. Okay, so first we are going to drag and drop our main clip that we are going to be using. After that, simply add a text and type the text that you want to appear behind the person. Then simply choose the font and adjust the size of the text. Now, we are going to stretch it to fit the length of the scene in the timeline. And now after we are happy, then we are going to need to export the video first. After finish exporting, we are going to clear the timeline, then simply drag and drop the exported video onto the timeline. Then re-add the main clip again and position it above the exported clip. And now we are going to be removing the background from our first clip by using the auto removal tool. After it has finished processing, then you should be able to see the text behind the person right away. Okay, so that is how you can make the text behind the person edit effect in CapCut. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and see you next time.